Hey everybody, it's Robin coming back at you from the Anywhere Homestead. I know I've been gone for a while. I've had a lot of life things. Heather, my daughter, had our first grandbaby and we have just been loving on her, and surprising how much a child takes up. I didn't remember as much of that from when my kids were growing up. But anyway, I just wanted to bring you a big update. I'm going to rebrand my channel. We're going to call it
Rooted and Roaming.
Rooted and Roaming.
Yep.
And I'm bringing Heather on board, and we're going to have videos with more of the family too. I'll still do cooking and canning and homesteading videos, but we also want to add some of our travels and vlogging and a few different things, so it's not just cooking all the time. So we're going to rebrand it, and I hope that you'll stick around and watch us and give us some support and love, because I sure love you guys and appreciate you hanging around and waiting for me. So here's to a new chapter, and we're gonna do this. See you later.